Okay, this is a slightly different format of video, but I'm basically talking through today a blog post I wrote about the London Marathon applicants versus the number of entrants in the last few years. So a little bit of shameless self-promotion that I have a blog, liamgower.dev. Occasionally I post random things like this, as well as I'll be posting text versions of my sort of tutorials and YouTube videos for those interested. So definitely check it out. But this one, London Marathon applicants versus entrants. And last year I wrote this because I saw this BBC News article. Record numbers apply for the 2025 London Marathon, which is happening in 3 days' time, right? Event organizers said there were more than 840,000 applications received. And I was like, that's crazy, because isn't there only like a couple 10,000 people actually run it? Correct. So turns out the numbers existed mostly on Wikipedia. So as you can see, there's a nice table of all the historical editions of London Marathon, the number of applicants, number accepted, starters and finishers and whatever. And okay, that's quite useful. So I decided to play around with Python, scrape this table from Wikipedia, and produce a nice chart in Plotly. And we got this. So if I zoom in, that's not very nice. I'll zoom in with Command plus. Super tight axes, apologies. But as you can see, number of applicants in 1981 for the first edition, 20,000. And the number accepted to run, about a third of that, 7.7k. And as you can see, over time, the number of people who run it, okay, it steadily grows to like 40,000 or so. But the number of applicants sort of starts to outstrip it. And then we hit, what year is this? I don't know, 2016. 250,000 to 50,000. So we're talking a 5x. And then we get to that article that I read, right? Okay, in 2024, 65,000 people. So they are accommodating a few more people to 578. So we're getting close to 10x. And then, like I say, last year, 840,000 people applied. And presumably it's going to be a similar number. So we're more than 10x. We're talking about 15x. So you've got a 1 in 15 chance of getting in. I don't know how many people accepted. It's not on the Wikipedia yet, because obviously it happens in 3 days at the time of recording. But I just thought this is crazy. Like, what has triggered this crazy outstripping? Obviously, population growth has happened. But my bet, if I was in the industry always looking at this data, maybe running is becoming more popular on social media as a fitness hobby. Clearly, if you use this as a proxy, that is the case. So I found it super interesting. In the blog post, I joke because I'm part of the problem. I applied, I didn't get it. My friend applied for the first time ever and got it. So, he should have entered the lottery last year. But I'm probably going to apply again. I'm really curious to see, is it going to continue this kind of level of crazy growth for 2026? Or is it going to kind of taper off? Was this some sort of anomaly in the crazy virality of running? But I don't think it is. I think it's going to go up. Maybe it might hit 1 million. So we'll see. But yeah, hit like, comment below, subscribe. Thanks guys, appreciate it. See ya.